See, she's fine. She's gonna drink her water while we walk down the hall to let the doggies out. You gonna walk all the way down the hall? While you're drinking your water, okay. You're just so little. What is even happening right now? You gonna help me let the doggies out? Yeah? You made it all the way down the hall. Now we're gonna let the doggies out. Okay. Be free. Be free. Hi. 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 Look how strong you are. We're going all the way down. Oh, you're so fast. Mommy can't walk backwards fast enough. Yay, Shakespeare. Yay. Oh. I love you. Oh. I'm yelling at somebody this morning.